Students, next topic is links and association. Okay, under this links and association, there will be a concept called link, association, multiplicity, association in names, ordering, bags and sequences, association class. Okay, under links and association we are going to discuss these topics. Okay, first will come one by one, and also we are going to discuss qualified association. Okay, these are the topics we are going to discuss under links and association. Okay, first we will discuss what is meant by link. Okay, physical or conceptual connection among a object. Instance of an association means there will be a physical or consumption connection among the object is called as link. You can see that here the line between the one object to another object is called as link. Means in object diagram we are going to link between one object to another object using one line, that is called as link. Okay, same way association, group of links with common structure and common semantic set of potential links. Nothing but association is also a link between the one class to another class. Okay, that is you are going to call it as association. Okay, means association is nothing but group of links. Okay, group of links we are going to call it as association. Okay, links is between the object, association is link between the one class to another class. Okay, and the UML diagram of links and association is one line. Okay, and association name can be used on the in between the objects or class. Okay, but you can see that here one stock is an association name. Like this, here also you can mention the link name. Okay, link name, how we are going to mention link name means you are going to write link name as A. Suppose the link name is A and we should underline it. Okay, this is represent the link name. Okay, this is association name. You are not going to write the underline here. In underline use ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, link name ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ you are going to underline it. Okay, this is optional. Link name and association names are optional, means there is no mandatory that you should write the association name or link name. It is optional. Okay, and link name and association name should be in italic letter, means we should use to write in the italic fashion. Okay, next multiplicity. What is meant by multiplicity? Constructing the number of related objects. Assign a multiplicity to an association ends. Okay, we can see that in this diagram this star indicate multiplicity. Okay, means the multiplicity is the number of related object. Okay, number of related object. How we can read this we are going to see in next slides. Okay, UML convention. UML diagram explicitly lists multiplicity at the end of association line, means we are going to mention the multiplicity at the end of the end of the association lines. Means this is the end, this is the end. We are going to mention the multiplicity at the end of the association lines. Okay, UML specified multiplicity with an interval such as 1, exactly 1, 1 dot dot means 1 or more, 1 dot double dot use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 or more. Okay, here 3 double dot 5. Next one 3 double dot 5 means 3 to 5 inclusives, and star represent many, that is 0 or more means it may be, may not be. It is there means 0 or many. Okay, you can see that here this is class. At the end of the association I mentioned 1 means exactly 1. Okay, same way many 0 or more means 0 star means 0 or many. Next 0 double dot 1 means 0 or 1. Okay, m double dot n means numerically specified n to m to n inclusives. Okay, here it is the example for the one to many multiplicity. Below figure illustrate one to many. How we can write means, sorry, this is 1 to 1 multiplicity. How we are going to say it is 1 to 1? Because you can see that at the end of the association you can see that we mentioned 1 1. Okay, at the end of the association I mentioned 1 1 means country name as capital. Here as capital is association name, it is optional but we written so as it is, we written as capital. And capital city, we know that every country having only one capital city. Okay, same way we can see that now I am going to take one country, one capital city. Next one country, one capital city, one country, one capital city. Okay, here this is class diagram. Country name means, how we can read this means, one capital city can have only one country can have only one capital city. Okay, same way here this is class, countries class. This Canada, France, single, these are the country. Okay, same way capital city Ottawa, Paris, Dakar are the capital cities. Okay, means the country Canada have capital Ottawa. Okay, next France country having capital as Paris. Like that you are going to read. Okay, next association links. Okay, here you can observe that A can have many, A can have many B. Okay, same way here object diagram. This is object name N. A can have a link of A of B, like that. Okay, same way here links and association. You can have multiple association to multiple links between same object. Means here only one link is there between the class and objects. Same way, the object and class can have more than one link or association. Okay. Next, many to one. Okay. Here, bank has many ATM. ATM knows only one bank. Here you can see that bank has many ATM, means one bank can have many ATMs. Okay, and many ATMs know only one bank. That is, we can read that. Okay, in this way we can read the UML notation diagram. Okay, next, association multiplicity. Okay, a student can take up to 5 courses because, and students has to be enrolled in a at least one course. Okay, up to 30 students can enroll in a course. Okay, a a class should have at least 10 students. Okay, means this UML diagram can be read in many ways. Okay, a students of 10 to 300 students can take 1 to 5 courses, or next, read from this side. Students has to be enrolled at least one course, means 10 to 300 students can enroll at least in one course, because 1 to 5 course is there. Here students 10 to 300 are there, means students of 10 to 300 can take at least one course. Okay, all the 5 ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಅಪ್ ಟು 300 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎನ್ರೋಲ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಕೋರ್ಸ್, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ up to one course can be taken by the 300 students also. Okay, class should have at least 10 students, and the class should contain at least 10 students, because 10 to 300 is there, because minimum is 10, maximum is 300. Okay, next, association multiplicity. A teacher teach 1 to 3 courses, means one teacher can teach 1 to 3 courses, means a teacher can teach one subject, one teacher can teach 2 subject, one teacher can teach 3 subject, one teacher cannot teach 4 subject, because they clearly mention one teacher can teach up to 3 courses. Okay, each course is 10 by only one, taught by only one teacher. Okay, and one course can be taught by only one teacher. A student can take between 1 to 5 courses, because you can see that 1 to 5 is there, means a student can take 1 to 5 courses. Okay, a course can have 10 to 30 students, means one course can have up to 10 to 300 students. Okay, next, association n names. Each n name of an association can have a name. Convenience for traversing association. means you can see that association end names. Okay, here employee is there, employee is there, employer is there. Okay, employee is nothing but the person's name, employee name. Okay, these three are the employees, these three are the person, means employee work for 0 or 1 company, means MS IBM company is still there. Okay, these are the three persons will work for 0 or 1 company. Okay, this person is working for this company, this person is working for this company, this person is working for this company. Okay, here association end names represent the employer's name. This association end name employer represent the company name. Okay, here work for is the association name, not end name. This is association name. End name where you are going to write at the end of the association link, that is we are going to call it as end association end names. Okay, here this is class name, this is class name, this is association end names. This star and 0 to 1 is the multiplicity, work for is the association name. Okay, next, a person is an employee with respect to company. A company is an employer with respect to person, means they are telling that here a person is an employee with respect to company. A person is an employee with respect to company. Same way, a company is an employer with respect to person. Okay, association names are optional. These are also a optional. Okay, next, ordering indicate an ordered set of object, provides an explicit order. Suppose you are working in your computer, you are going to open so many windows. Okay, but it should be in one order. Okay, that is you are going to call it as order. A screen 1 can have many ordered window, means this ordering is represented by open flower bracket. We are going to place order and we are going to close. This is how we are going to write the ordering. Same way, bags and sequence permit multiple links for pair of object. Bag collection of elements with duplicate allowed, means ಒಂದು ವಿಂಡೋನೇ ನೀವು 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪಲ್ಲಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟ್ ಅಲೌಡ್, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮೆನಿ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಮೆನಿ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡೂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಪನ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಒಂದು ವಿಂಡೋ ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್. ಸೇಮ್ ವಿಂಡೋ ಮತ್ತೆ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ we open same window twice, means duplicate will happen. Okay, sequence ordered bag permit only a binary association, means suppose itinerary, many itinerary can have many airports. Itinerary means a planned route or journey. Suppose you plan route like this. Suppose you want to go to Chitradurga to Bengaluru, means you have to travel like this. You are going to start from Chitradurga, next Hiriyur, next Shira, next Tumkur, next Nelmangla, next Bangalore. Suppose you want to come from Bangalore to Chitradurga means you have to use same route. Okay, that is sequence. Means Bangalore to Nelmangla, Nelmangla to Tumkur, Tumkur to Shira, Shira to Hiriyur, Hiriyur to Chitradurga. This is sequence. Means sequence is an order. Means ordered set of sequence. Means same sequence only we should move on. Means we should follow one route. Okay, that is sequence. And sequence is represented at the end of the association link. This is represented by open and close flower bracket. Association class. Okay, derived identity from instance of the constituent classes have attributes and operations participate in association. Nothing but the association class is also an class. Okay, it is attached to link by using dash line. Okay, this is a dash line. You can see that as this is an association class. This is an association class. This is ordinary class. This is also ordinary class. Okay, users and workstation are two ordinary classes where authorization is an association class. Okay, how we are going to identify it is a association class? Nothing but we are going to connect this association class to a link between one class to another class using dash line. Okay, and the association class can also having the attributes and operation. Here authorization means nothing but class name, property is nothing but attribute, start session is operation. Okay, means you can see that many users can work for many workstation. Suppose a many users can only work for one station. Okay, this is an association class. Okay, read like this: many users can work for many workstation, but sometimes many users can only work for only one station. That is our association class represent. Okay, that is association class. Association is class is nothing but it is also an class. It is also containing class name, attribute, operation, and this association class is connected to link between two other classes. It is mentioned using the dash line. Okay, next, qualified association. Disambiguate the object for a many association end. Okay, select among the target object, reduce the effective multiplicity from many to 1. Okay, suppose there are two examples is there. One is one bank many account with account number. This is not qualified because we know that one bank can have many account. Okay, but here observe that one bank with qualified one account can have 0 or 1 account. Okay, a bank can have one account number that represent the 0 or 1 accounts. Okay, this is qualified. Okay, how you are going to mention the qualified? After bank with this small box we are going to mention the account number, that is qualified. Okay, bank with one account number can have 0 or 1 account. Okay, means one account number iದ್ರೆ there will be a 0 or 1 account only. One bank can have many accounts. We know that one bank can have many accounts. Okay, but one bank with one account number can have 0 or 1 account, because we cannot duplicate the account number. Suppose 01 is the account number, we can provide for only one person. Okay, we cannot provide same account number to another person. ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆಗಲ್ಲ. one number can issue for one person. Okay, suppose one USN ಇರುತ್ತೆ, one USN we can give for one student. Same USN we cannot give to another person, because USN is unique identity. By using USN you can identify one person. Same way, using one account number we can identify individual account holder. So we cannot duplicate the account number or USN. That only qualified means unique. Okay, unique identity. Okay, this is our links and association topic. Under links and association topic we explain some of the concepts. One is link, another one is association, another one is multiplicity, another one is association in names and ordering. Next one is backs and sequence and association class and qualified association. These are the concepts, these are the topics under the links and association. Okay, we are going to end up this section here. Okay, thank you.